Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today video is what I eat in a day, starting with the coffee that I made every day before I going to work. Just simply coffee with the milk. This video is before I bought the machines or just the hot water with the coffee. But it's nice. After this video, I already bought the coffee machine, so it would be nice. And this oat milk is my favorite one. It's so good and going well with the coffee. So this is my breakfast time. It's a yogurt from 7-Eleven. Banana. Granola.
เขาไม่ได้ผิดอะนะแต่ว่าต้องการฉันชิดมาก
ไม่ผิดแล้ว Fries, suki with pork. So this menu is called suki. It's a vegetable, noodles, and pork fried together and dipped with the suki sauce. It's my favorite menu in this restaurant. This restaurant is nearby the office. Me and my colleague always like to eat here. It's a Thai food mostly, and especially it's cheap as well, like 50 until 60 baht. But the one thing is, I will start hungry again. Because it's like veggie is not too much, not like rice. Hey guys, I just came back home and this is what I got in the market. I just went to the shopping mall and fixed some internet some stuff. And I'm so starving right now. I need to get something I couldn't cook right now. Maybe later, but yeah. It's a fried pork. It's 12 baht each, so cheap. It's mixed together between pork belly, spicy one, and regular one. Of course, come with sticky rice. This is 20 baht. This one is a dessert from the bamboo. It's sticky rice, black beans, coconut, and taro. So good. You can eat like this. And this one is a smoky bite. I don't know how much, but it's 10 baht each. Just make like gapao flavor, regular one, and Saikok Isan is like a Isan sausage. And of course, it comes with a free vegetable and free sauce. So good. Let's try. So good. Very good. Very hungry. Let's try pork. Pork belly. Oh my god. Happy. I wash my hand already. But I eat like this. They sell these foods in the shopping mall, which is so nice, so cheap, very convenient. Okay, let's try dessert. Maybe it should be this one. Which size is it? Huh?
Yeah, probably
Yeah.
that one.
Wow. So good. It's called khao lam.
Khao lam.
Guess what is it? Guess what is it?
Taro.
Yep. What else?
Shrimp.
No, you're kidding me.
Looks like shrimp.
Not
taro.
shrimp. Taro. What else?
Coconut.
Coconut. And the last but not least? You want me to tell you?
No, yeah, sticky rice, of course.
Cigarette and black beans.
Black America.
How much this one?
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก and this one is monkey bite came with a free sauce and free vegetable.
No?
This is pork belly, the one you like.
Yeah.
So maybe we just eat this for appetizer or whatever, and if we can cook tonight. It's like let's see. This is what our dinner today is, a fried chicken, like katsudon, flour and bread flake. And what we have, fried veggies, corn and pea. Well, you put a lot of rice for me, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, put it in one bowl.
Yeah. So good. Eat with teriyaki sauce. Shoyu.
It's teriyaki, right?
Huh?
It's teriyaki.
You grab teriyaki. But look good though.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Shoyu and teriyaki. Let's try. So crispy.อร่อยอร่อยไหม
Oh,
นะ Something in my eye นะ